Which state initiated the implementation of the midday meal scheme in elementary schools? Tamil Nadu. Which of the following is an example of joint sector industry? Oil India Limited. The National Youth Policy 2014 defines youth as population between the ages of 15 to 29. Which 5-year plan primarily focused on the Garibi Hatao initiative? Fifth 5-year plan. Which of the following is an example of a non-tax revenue source for the government? Fees and fines. Which of the following options is the most appropriate cause for unemployment in India? Overpopulation. The Make in India initiative primarily focuses on which sector? Manufacturing. The CSO adopted the concept of gross value added in 20th January 2015. Which of the following ports was developed as a satellite port to relieve the pressure at the Mumbai port? Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Which industrial policy marked the beginning of liberalization in the Indian industry, reducing the restrictions on private companies? Industrial Policy 1991. What is subtracted from GDP to arrive at NDP? Depreciation. When a person is not paying anything for public goods, it is known as free rider. The Government of India allowed automatic approval of -% of FDI by Reserve Bank of India in 9 categories of industries. Up to 74. In which 5-year plan was the Food, Work and Productivity slogan used? Seven. If assets of a bank are greater than liabilities, it will be recorded as net worth. In which of the following situations does the government run a deficit budget? When the government expenditure exceeds revenue. Which of the following is an example of public sector industry in India? Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. What is the empirically fitted relationship between the rate of change of money, wage, and rate of unemployment known as? Phillips curve. The Mahalanobis model was the basis for which 5-year plan? Second 5-year plan. Which of the following is not correct with regards to the history of calculating national income in India? Dadabhai Naoroji divided the Indian economy into 2 parts, primary sector and secondary sector. Answer in comment section. Money supply is a dash concept. Please like the video. For more such videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Thank you.